It's hard to believe, but we found one Studio 5 friend who has not yet tried to make homemade slime. Say what? It's the ultimate kitchen table science experiment, zooming in popularity. We thought Studio 5 party and family fun contributor Celeste Whitney needed to be on board with us. How have you escaped this?
Everyone knows I'm not good in the kitchen, so I just assumed I would screw it up somehow.
And that translates to slime?
Yeah.
Your cooking skills translate to slime.
Right.
Well, you took it on for us, so we applaud your courage, but you actually did a different variation, an edible slime?
Okay, yeah, I don't want to eat it, but it's for sure safe to eat. And I have little babies that I think that's kept me from making slime in the past. Because I'm like, I don't know about
this looks like what comes out of Emmy's nose and occasionally makes in her mouth. We're working on that. But at any rate, if you want to make it and eat it, you can. What goes into this?
Okay, so it's almost one ingredient, and it's Metamucil.
Oh.
It's like a fiber supplement, and
okay. So your diaper duty could double.
I wasn't sure about it before I got it, and I don't know if I got the right one, but it says it can use any that has a ingredient psyllium husk. There we go.
Okay.
So any that has psyllium husk, it doesn't have to be this brand.
Okay.
And it's literally just a tablespoon of that and a cup of water. And then you mix it, and then you gotta microwave it.
Oh, okay.
So that's, I think, what makes it set up. So luckily you don't drink that.
So this complemented your skill level in the kitchen.
Yes.
It worked out.
I feel so confident.
It totally worked out. Did you add food coloring?
I added food coloring and even a tiny bit of essential oil just to make it smell good.
Oh, yum. And you haven't sampled it?
I have not sampled it, nor will I, but it has everything that I think a slime needs to have.
It's got the ooey gooey factor.
It's ooey, and it doesn't like come off on your hands. It's really great.
Okay, all right, this is fun. Celeste, thank you so much.
And I'm not worried if my babies eat it. So.
There you go, no harm. No harm done. We will add this recipe to our online collection of slime recipes. We've shared all the tried and true concoctions on the Studio 5 website, so go to studio5.ksl.com to dial up those recipes. All you have to do is search Slime Week. It's been a fun week here on the show.